Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful bracelet. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and some button. For this project, I am using 3mm crochet hook. To do this bracelet, we want to know the basic stitches like chain, double crochet and slip stitch. It is very easy to do this bracelet and it looks beautiful. You can also use this as mask connector by adding another button this side. Like this, you can use them for mask connector as well. And the foundation chain can be any number of even number. So now let's see how to do this beautiful bracelet. Start with a slip knot. Do 42 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 42 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After doing 42 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to skip 5 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the 6th stitch, you are going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So this is what we say it as double crochet. Next, chain 1. Skip the next stitch and in the next stitch, you are going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing chain 1, skip the next stitch and in the next stitch you are going to do a double crochet. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and in the next stitch you are going to do a double crochet till you reach the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, you are going to work on this double crochet. So, do 1 double crochet in this space. So, next we are going to do the buttonhole for this bracelet. For that, you are going to do chain 5. This buttonhole depends on the size of the button you are going to add to this bracelet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and do a slip stitch here by taking these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So this is the buttonhole. And next in this gap you are going to do 2 double crochet. 1, 2. So next in this side we are going to do 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, if you see, turn your work like this and you are going to do 4 double crochet.
1, 2, 3 and 4.
Next, we are not going to do 4 double crochet in this side. Instead, we will turn the work and in this side, you are going to do 4 double crochet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, turn your work. You are going to do 4 double crochet on this double crochet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, we won't do double crochet here. Instead, we will do 4 double crochet on the other side.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, turn your work. We will do 4 double crochet by taking this double crochet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So if you see, the bracelet looks like this. Next, we won't do 4 double crochet here. Instead, we will turn the work, do 4 double crochet here and 4 double crochet here. Then we won't do the 4 double crochet here. Next, turn the work, 4 double crochet here, 4 double crochet here. So like this way, we will be keeping on doing the 4 double crochets till you reach the end. Here like S shape, we will be doing the double crochets. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, we will add a button in this last. After adding the button, the bracelet looks like this. You can also use this for mask connector by adding another button on the other side. Bracelet looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.